Hello, friends. Welcome to an essential discussion on protecting your health. Today, we're exploring a topic that impacts many individuals: colon cancer. It's a serious issue, but the good news is we have the ability to make informed choices to reduce the risk. Did you know that colon cancer is the third most common cancer in both men and women in the United States? Surprising, isn't it? But don't worry, because in this video, we're revealing medical research based 5 foods that have been associated with an increased risk of colon cancer. So, if you're interested in learning about the foods that enhance your defense against colon cancer, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this information with your friends and family, and of course, subscribe for more insights on protecting your health. Now, let's dive into this crucial discussion. Your well being is worth it. 1. Red meat. Let's talk about red meat, that delicious protein from animals like beef, pork, and lamb. It's a great source of nutrients like protein and iron. But here's the catch: red meat is linked to a higher risk of colon cancer. How does this happen? One way is through heme iron in red meat, which, when broken down in the gut, can create N-nitrosyl compounds, potential cancer-causing agents. Another issue is the chemicals heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons formed when cooking meat at high temperatures. These can also harm DNA and lead to cancer. But there's more. Red meat may promote the growth of gut bacteria, producing harmful substances and damaging DNA. Additionally, it contributes to inflammation in the gut, a normal response, but if chronic, it can lead to DNA damage and cancer. 2. Refined grains. Refined grains are those grains stripped of their bran and germ during processing, often found in everyday staples like white bread, white rice, and pasta. While these refined grains might seem like convenient choices, they've been linked to an increased risk of colon cancer. Why the concern? Firstly, refined grains are low in fiber. Fiber plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy digestive system, preventing the formation of cancer causing substances. Then there's the glycemic index factor. Refined grains with a high glycemic index can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, potentially leading to inflammation and insulin resistance, both red flags for colon cancer risk. Moreover, refined grains provide a habitat for gut bacteria, producing harmful substances that can damage DNA and contribute to cancer. 3. Sugary foods and drinks. Sugary foods and drinks are those with added sugar for extra sweetness. While they might satisfy our cravings, there's a downside, a potential link to colon cancer. How does it happen? Firstly, sugary treats and drinks might contribute to weight gain, and we know that obesity is a risk factor for colon cancer. Another concern is insulin resistance, a condition where the body's cells don't respond well to insulin. This not only raises the risk of type 2 diabetes, itself a colon cancer risk factor, but also increases the likelihood of colon cancer. But there's more. These sweet indulgences might encourage the growth of gut bacteria that produce harmful substances, damaging DNA and potentially leading to cancer. Plus, sugary foods and drinks could increase inflammation in the gut. While inflammation is a normal immune response, the chronic kind can harm DNA and pave the way for cancer. While the evidence connecting sugary indulgences to colon cancer is compelling, it's crucial to remember that not everyone with a sweet tooth will develop colon cancer. Now, 4. Alcohol. Firstly, alcohol has the potential to damage DNA, the essential genetic material guiding cell growth and division. This damage can lead to abnormal cell growth and tumor formation. Another concern is alcohol's role in increasing inflammation in the gut. While inflammation is a natural immune response, Chronic inflammation can harm DNA, creating a pathway for cancer development. Moreover, alcohol consumption may promote the growth of gut bacteria, producing harmful substances which can contribute to DNA damage and increase the risk of cancer. Lastly, alcohol heightens the production of estrogen, a hormone that can stimulate the growth of cancer cells, thereby escalating the risk of colon cancer. Number 5, processed and grilled meat. Let's explore the connection between processed and grilled meats and the heightened risk of colon cancer. Processed meats, preserved through smoking, curing, or salting, and grilled meats, cooked over high heat, have both raised concerns. One potential culprit in processed meats is the presence of nitrates and nitrites used for preservation. In the gut, these chemicals can transform into N-nitrosyl compounds, recognized carcinogens capable of damaging DNA and fostering cancer. Meanwhile, grilled meats pose a threat through the formation of heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons during high temperature cooking. These chemicals also fall under the carcinogen category, with the ability to harm DNA and contribute to cancer. The evidence linking processed and grilled meats to colon cancer is substantial. However, it's important to understand that not everyone consuming these meats will necessarily develop colon cancer. Genetic factors, age, and lifestyle contribute significantly to the complex dynamics of colon cancer development. Number 6, physical inactivity. Medical research indicates that a sedentary lifestyle increases the risk of colon cancer. Why? It's due to hormone disruption. Exercise acts as a regulator for insulin and IGF-1, keeping them in check. Without it, they fuel those dangerous cancer cells. Moving your body isn't just a workout, it's a superhero for your gut. Exercise creates a supportive environment for good bacteria, fighting inflammation. But if you're stuck in a sedentary lifestyle, it's like hosting a party for harmful bacteria, a known risk for colon cancer. Watch your weight, friend. Exercise helps control it, especially that sneaky belly fat. But if you are a couch potato, get ready for a surge of inflammatory markers and hormone imbalances linked to cancer risks. Think of exercise as a protector for your immune system, keeping it strong and ready to fight off invaders like cancer. But inactivity weakens your defenses, leaving you vulnerable. Regular movement helps your colon eliminate waste. Skip the exercise, and you're risking a buildup of harmful substances, increasing the cancer threat. So let's get moving for a healthier, cancer resistant you. Absolutely, it's essential to be aware that certain foods may elevate your risk of health issues. However, by making conscious choices like adding more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to your diet and moderating the consumption of the mentioned foods, you can make a significant positive impact on your well being. Instead of giving into fear, embrace small changes and take control of your health. Remember, knowledge empowers us, and together we can prioritize healthier choices for a brighter future. Don't miss the chance to hit that like button, share this valuable information, and subscribe for more enlightening videos on leading a healthy and fulfilling life. Together, let's embark on a journey toward well being and make informed choices for a healthier and happier tomorrow.